I managed to get these.
Are you alright?
They're everywhere.
What's wrong?
Something happened out there.
What happened?
I'm alright, get off me.
Have you been bitten?
No, I'm fine, leave me alone.
Have you?
Does anyone want something to eat?
What did you manage to get?
Can we not change the subject?
Are you okay?
Just tired from being out there.
Show me your hand.
Why should I?
If you have nothing to hide, why wouldn't you show me your arms?
It's barely anything, it's basically just a scratch.
Get out.
You can't send me out there. Come on, guys, it's Christmas.
It's not Christmas. It's not Christmas. It's a freaking summer vacation. You've been bitten.
He's right. We need to go.
We? What do you mean by we?
I got bit too.
This can't be happening.
Please don't make us go out there. We don't know for sure this is what turns people.
No.
Why are you getting that?
It'll just be outside. I'm not gonna do it in here.
No, please. It might not turn you.
Oh, I see. So because he's been bit, you're willing to let him stay, but not me.
You're either going the same way as me, or you're turning into one of them. Either way, you're leaving here now. Now. Take care of yourself.